our tendency tones resolve. Our tendency tones in a scale is the 2, 4, 6, and the 7. So the 2, 4, and the 6 tends to resolve by step downwards. So the 6 to the 5, the 4 to the 3, and the 2 to the 1. But our 7th scale degree, which is the leading tone of the scale, wants to naturally resolve upwards to the 8th. So that one is upwards, and the 6, 4, and the 2 is downwards. That is why when we play the scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we kind of can't stop there at the 7. That's why we add the 8th scale degree, because the tension is so much here on the 7, it kind of just hangs in the air. So it wants to resolve to that 8th note.